Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Every time I get in this shit, the line just be, oh yeah. And I walk through it and I let it cool down. Every time. I see somebody could do it yesterday. Somebody had glasses on. And he was beaten. That was you? No, this is another guy. I see somebody. I'm gonna hear this shit.
So you broke your window yesterday?
I broke it the other day.
The other day?
Testing it, then yesterday it just made it worse at the shop.
Man.
So hopefully it's good.
Have you ever thought about putting a pole to help?
That's what we're going to do that.
You're going to do that?
Enforce the roof, and this shit just breaking, man.
Yeah, that's the base head problems. So could you tell me real quick what all's in here?
I got a 370 Macman. I got 3 dB depth bounce 15s. PRV speakers, tweeters, horns, Stetson to panel amps, and a Powerus 15K on the bass.
15K.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wired at 0.67.
0.6. Did you build the wall?
My homeboy did.
You did? Okay. All right. Do you know the specs of the wall, the tuning?
Don't get me lying. I don't know.
You don't know? Don't worry about it.
Yeah, wait.
All right.
Everybody, emails playing?
Everybody's about to play. Yeah, we're good to demo now. It's 12. You want me to shut the door? Is it better? Door shut or open?
You could try it. Try it. I just don't want my windshield to break. Let me try.
Yeah, windows down. There you go.
I got a piece of glass in my hand.
Uh-oh. Hey, that is crazy, man. Oh gosh. Hey, you open the door, I'm stuck in here. Jesus. Dude, he's like, that thing.
Hey, this time it won't run.
Whoa. Jeez. Thank you for the demo, man. That's crazy. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.